Welcome to the Supervisory Workshop. This workshop is designed to empower supervisors to lead with excellence. You are the bridge between your team and management. Ensuring quality service, maintaining team morale, and leading by example are essential. Turning conflicts into cooperation is vital. Stay neutral, listen to both sides, and focus on solutions, not blame. Strong teams start with strong leadership. Set clear expectations and acknowledge achievements to drive your team forward. Speak clearly, lead confidently. Clear instructions avoid confusion, and two-way communication builds trust. Good leaders listen first. Don't interrupt, show empathy, and responding with understanding can prevent bigger problems. Supervise, support, succeed. Be approachable and set a strong work ethic for your team to follow. Great supervisors possess emotional intelligence, a problem-solving mindset, adaptability, and a commitment to continuous learning. In conclusion, remember to apply these skills daily. Your leadership shapes the service.